Cool things in my house.
So for this cool things in my house, I am introducing you to our little fishies here. And first, before I do that, though, you can see, oh, there's Jack's little toy basket. But more importantly, there's these two tables here, which I actually upcycled and created when we were still living in Germany. So I will put the tutorial for that down below for you, as well as this gorgeous little stand here that I transformed from an old radio that I found by the side of the road. And now it is very, very cool and holds under there is like all the fishy stuff. Anyway, so let's meet the fish. First, over here, we have JeanPaul, and he is, of course, a beautiful betta fish. And see, is he gonna move for us? Maybe not. He just really loves hanging out. Oh, there he goes. Gorgeous. Hello, JeanPaul. Bonjour. Ça va? Bien. Okay. JeanPaul is good. I just love his little face, too, if we can. There we go. He always looks very grumpy. Anyway, next up, we have in the big tank a bunch of guppies. And you can see back there we have some teenager-sized mollyfish. Where's our snails? Oh, there's a couple of our snails. There's more guppies and more plants. And oh, there is our big mollyfish that we have, who's actually the father of the teenager mollies. We got rid of the mother molly because we didn't know that she was a female when we got her, and we ended up with, I don't know if you can see them here, a whole tank now full of baby molly fish. We don't put the light on in this tank because it does stress them out, but you can see there's a whole bunch of little baby molly fish in there. And yeah, so that was quite interesting to find out that our silver molly was actually a female and mated with this big bad boy there and created those little teenagers, and then another whole tank full over here. So we had to return her to the store, which they gladly took her back, which was awesome. So thank you, Big Al's Aquarium store. But yeah, there's my little collection of fishies. And JeanPaul, once again, by the way, JeanPaul has his own TikTok account. Ooh, look at him, he's getting a bit angry. Called JeanPaul and Friends, where he shares his adventures as well as the adventures of everyone in this tank, and now the babies as well. So I'll link that down below and you can go check them all out.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.